But for me, I am a kind of introvert, so I don't generally share things with anyone. So I will cry a lot, like in my like single room, and I will not tell to anybody else like what is happening. Okay, so first of all, good afternoon, and how are you doing?
Yeah, good afternoon. I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking. How about you?
Yes, I'm pretty well, thank you. Okay, and happy Rang Panchami.
I don't know about it.
Didn't you hear about Rang Panchami?
No, I haven't heard of it, but I would love to know about it.
Oh, actually, we are also not celebrating, but here in my place, people celebrate Rang Panchami after the Holi festival, after the 5 days of Holi festival. It's the same like Holi. People play with colors and all.
Okay, so like you play with colors, you smear color on each other's faces.
Yeah,
Uh,
right. So everybody is like playing, uh, but today I don't have holiday, so I need to work. So that's why I'm not outside. They are
okay, so
enjoying and playing a song and dancing.
okay. So do you cook something different on this festival?
No, as I mentioned that we are not celebrating, but we are just engaging ourselves with them because here in my surrounding people are celebrating this.
Okay, okay, yeah, good to know about it. But in my place, nobody celebrated Rang Panchami, but we celebrated Holi festival in a grand way.
Same like you. We are celebrating Holi, but not Rang Panchami. But here people celebrate it in a grand way. Even they prefer to play Holi on this day as compared to Holi festival.
Hmm. Great,
Yes.
great. So, do you
Okay.
think festive season? Do you think festive season brings good vibes and like uh, it makes people so happy and delighted? Do you think?
Yeah, of course it is. And especially if you are a working professional, so if you get holidays, so that time you feel very happy because that are the time that you can celebrate or you can get together with your family members. And when your whole family members are at your home, so we just chit chat and we gossip each other. We prepare a lot of sweets and a lot of different dishes. So it
Mhm.
gives you the different pleasure vibes also. So it is a kind of fun and also the pleasure day.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I agree with you. Even I love to celebrate festival and I love to get ready and obsessed with makeups. So I do lots of things. But my
Yeah.
daughter is too small. She's 2 years old, and sometimes, whatever I planned, it doesn't work accordingly. Everything becomes chaotic just because of her. Now she wants to grab my phone, so I
Oh,
ask my mother, "Ki, Mama, please take over the outside so that I can concentrate better on my conversation. Otherwise, it is very difficult." But now she has, I think she has come up. She is knocking at the door. Please open the door, Mama.
oh, yeah, it's really difficult.
Yeah, it's very difficult to make time for everything.
Yes, yes. But I think we can give it a try and we can try our best so that we can get some output. A lot of things are disturbing us, but we are the person
Yes.
and we need to focus little bit and we need to take out some time for ourselves also.
Yeah, and what I believe, passion matters. If you are having a relentless passion for something you want to do, then you can squeeze in at least 1 or 2 hours for uh, ourselves. Otherwise, it's very difficult. But you should have a great obsession or passion for that thing,
Yeah, right.
right?
I agree.
Mm-hmm.
So
So how do you unwind yourself? Like if you're stressed out a lot, like doing managing lots of things, you are working professional. I think you are having classes. You help your mother in domestic chores. So how do you manage it? How do you stressed out?
yeah, sometimes it is a bit hectic and we get over stressed also because of lot of things. I just try to divert my mind from all such stress and I do some other activities like sometimes I listen my favorite song. So that gives me relief sometimes. And when I get over stressed, so to be honest, I just go for sleep. This is the best medicine for me when I get overstressed. So I can't even think or concentrate on other thing. So I prefer to go to sleep, and I will take some nap so that after that I will feel little bit easy and like relief also.
Okay, great, great. But in my case, what happens if I am stressed? So sometimes I think I will solve my problems, but it doesn't happen. So I find someone whom I can rely on and whom I can discuss with. So usually I talk to my mother, and it is a great way to to release the stress. Because if you are find any sport and you talk, then it makes you lighter and delighted. Yeah. Otherwise, it's very difficult. Yeah, because lots of work and all the things.
Yes, you are right, and I think it's the good way. We can relieve, we can get some relaxation. But for me, I am a kind of introvert, so I don't generally share things with anyone. So I will cry a lot, like in my like single room, and I will not tell to anybody else like what is happening, like that. I
Mhm.
want to say something to other people, but I think it's not in my habit that I can share with anyone. It's like in nature.
But you have a sister, you can share with her, right? Because she's not going to disclose and reveal any truth about you.
Yeah, sometime I do, but most of the time now she's busy with her own work, so I don't want to disturb her a lot. So that's why sometimes. But yeah, before her marriage, I used to share a lot of things with her. But now I have reduced little bit because of
Hmm.
I know that she must be busy with some work.
So is she working?
Yeah, she's working, but it is in different field.
Good
Yeah.
to know. Yeah. Do you like traveling? Do you love traveling?
Yes, I love traveling, and it is kind of hobby for me. So whenever I get free time or I get long holiday, so that time I plan to visit outside, especially outside my city, because I already explored a lot of things in my city itself. So now I feel like I should watch something else or something different. And when I go outside, and it happens when you are working whole day and for a very long period of time, like 1 month or 2 months, then I think we should plan to go somewhere so that we can, get our energy back and we can feel re-energized again. What do you
Yeah,
think?
because yeah, same here. I am an avid traveler and I love traveling a lot because it makes us energetic and it's a therapeutic for me. Because after a certain work, so I feel, yeah, now I am tired, exhausted. I need to travel anywhere. But like since 2 years, I'm not going anywhere just because of my younger one, because she doesn't like to sit in the car. She doesn't feel comfortable. She needs her home. So she like home is little cocoon for her. She loves to stay here only. Even if I have to travel in my city, that time she gets so anxious and irritated. She just like come out from the car. So that's why I avoid traveling nowadays. But
Yes.
once she starts going to school, like after 3 4 years, then I'll plan to go anywhere. But like I love to go to south because my south is on bucket list.
Oh,
And
like
I love, yeah. So have you ever traveled south part of India?
yes, I visited Bangalore once, but that time I went there for my work purpose only. So I didn't get chance to explore more, like what are the different places are there. So I just visited some of the temples only. But now I am just feeling that I should plan for south part, because in north I have visited many states, not many, but yeah,
Same.
most of the state I visited. So I feel now we should do something else, because south part is totally different from our north. And when you will see especially the places also, the famous places, so you feel like that it is quite different from your north places. Even I have seen the temples. Some temples are totally different from our places, like the structure and everything.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because I feel when I'll go to south, then it would be quite a different exposure for me because food is different and work culture is also vibrant over there, so I want to explore it. And I love to going to beach. I am a beach person.
Okay.
I love mountains as well, but mountain is like, if it there is too height, because of height I don't feel good. I sometimes I get scared of that.
Okay,
So
when I like mountain first, but beaches are also fine for me. But what happens when I have to choose like between two, so I mostly prefer to go mountain area. I don't know why, but yeah, beaches are also fine with me. Like I can enjoy there also. So, but I would say that only once I went to beach. That is in Mumbai, Juhu Beach, and after that I didn't get chance to visit any beach as of now.
I think in Mumbai, Zuhu Beach is quite renowned, right? Bollywood actor, actors come over there. So, have you seen any Bollywood actor, actress?
No, I didn't get chance.
Okay. So, it must be so crowded, right? Zuhu Beach.
Yeah, and I think whatever places that time I visited, so that all the places were totally crowded, fully crowded that time. Marine Drive and the one famous temple, Siddhivinayak temple, and the Gateway of India. I don't know when I went. That time it was kind of holiday, maybe. So most of the people had planned to visit, maybe. So that's why I crowded there.
Mhm. Sometimes we don't like crowd places. We want to feel like peace and tranquil over there, right? We want to live at peaceful areas. Sometimes I feel. And I have been to Goa. I remember there were two or three beaches. They were so crowded. And then I went to I cannot recall the name of that beach. That is so peaceful. Nobody was there. So yeah, but I cannot recall name. Otherwise, I'll tell you what is the name of that beach. And it's so beautiful, so calm, so peace. So when I remember about those beach, I really feel, uh, what should I say? I feel nostalgic.
Yes, yes. And yeah, you mentioned that sometimes we need some kind of calm places, not too much crowded.
Yes,
Yeah, some of the people are there, that is good, but not overcrowded.
yeah, yeah. So what are your timings? 9 to 5, or is it more than it?
Yeah, it's 9:30 to 6. But
9:30.
sometimes I have meetings after 6 p.m. because most of my colleagues and manager are from different country, especially USA. So their time zone is totally different, like day and night differences. So I need to wait for them whenever I have to ask
Mhm.
something, or we have any like global meeting. So I need to be there for according to their time, like their morning, and I have my evening. It's, you can say the night timing.
So you have a great environment of speaking English because you are in IT field, and I think everybody speaks in English at your uh, like with your colleagues, your peers, isn't it?
Yeah, they are speaking in English, but what happens, as I am not surrounded by people all the time. Whenever I have meetings, then only I have to speak, and most of the time we are in the audio calls only, audio meetings, not the video meeting. So on audio, I am little bit comfortable, and I can talk with them, but I didn't get chance to do face to face meeting, or this kind of virtual like face to face meeting.
Okay, okay. Yeah, same with me. When it is on audio call, then I feel comfortable. But when it comes to one-on-one, then I get stuck. I'm not able to think properly. What should I say next? So that's why I want to get rid of that problem, and I am having one-on-one conversation.
Yes, right. And audio call, we don't need to show our expression also. Sometimes we get stuck, so we think and we take little bit pause also. But when you are doing a
Yeah,
kind of face-to-face conversation, then you can't think a lot or take pauses a lot.
yeah. So, but you are consistent with your practice, right?
Yeah, you can say that every alternate days I do one conversation.
Okay.
Okay, so
So
what's
what
your
are
favorite cuisine?
I love no North Indian cuisine. I can eat anything. I prefer homemade over junk food. Like
Okay.
South Indian dishes, I like idli sambar and dosa. I like, but I can eat junk food, but I avoid it. I take once in a month only.
Oh, that's great actually. Because I am totally opposite. I love junk food a lot. Even a lot of people told me that you should avoid and because it
Yes.
harm your health also. Not about now, but in the future you will face a lot of difficulties. So, but I don't know. I'm not able to leave this thing because
So
I'm more
what's your
habitual.
favorite food?
Huh?
What's your favorite junk food?
I would say momo and Manchurian also.
Okay. How often do you eat?
You can say that in a week, 2 times, 2 days in a week.
Okay, twice a week.
Yeah.
Okay. It's not too much. Twice a week is not too much. Yeah, but you can reduce it. Yeah. Because you are living at your home, so you can enjoy homemade food. Have you ever tried any recipe at your home?
I don't know cooking.
Like Manchurian? No?
I just tried like the simple food like Maggie and pasta. That's it only, and the tea. That's it. Otherwise, I don't know cooking. My
So how
mother
do you
always
manage? Like
scold.
what do
My mother
Mhm.
always scold me like, "What are you gonna do after your marriage?" And they will tell you that your mother never taught you these things like that.
Just don't know how to cook even simple food like dal, rice, chapati, simple food. Can you cook easily?
uh, I can try, but I don't usually do.
Okay. Yeah, we should learn. Even when I got married that time, I knew about only basic things. That is a necessary for survivals of living. So I knew like chapati, dal,
Hmm.
simple vegetables. I I at that time I didn't know chole bhature, pav bhaji, but I have learned over a period of time because my husband is fond of eating homemade food. So
Okay.
that's why yeah, I was under the pressure. I have to learn by
Yeah. Actually, my sister is best cook, I would say, because she is very good at cooking. She knows everything, and she used to prepare a lot of other things like momo and everything at her home also. Still, she is preparing at her in-laws' house also. So she always tell me like you can come and join us.
yeah, before marriage you can learn simple cooking, right? That is necessary for survival. Yeah. After that you can learn many dishes because you will get to know how is your like in-laws family. According to them you can manage it.
And I
Mhm.
tried momos 2 or 3 weeks ago. So I
Okay.
watched on YouTube because it's my favorite dish. So I just thought, why not to learn these things at least so that I can prepare at our home. So I
I
just
think
tried it.
momos is difficult. You have to prepare veggies. You have to get some carrots and cabbage. Lots of vegetables you need to prepare that. Then you have to steam. It consumes lots of time.
Yeah, it consumed a lot of time. But yeah, I tried like little bit, not too much. But yeah,
How
it
was
was
the taste?
yeah, it was good and delicious also. But I missed something that the chutney should be more spicy, but it was not that. So I just learned these things, and momo was not fully what can I
Steamed.
say? Steamed, yeah. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
great.
So that was my first time, so I didn't think a lot like why it happened. But yeah, gradually if I'll try again, so definitely maybe I can improve.
Yeah, definitely. You can improve. You should have a passion. If you want to learn, you can achieve anything, right? Hmm.
Yeah, yeah,
So do you have
definitely.
any question for me because my child is screaming a lot.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, I wanted to say this. It was a lovely conversation with you, and thank you so much.
Yeah, same here. Bye bye.
Bye bye.